myself. I'm back with some mere drip from my good friends over there at Nadula Hair. Y'all know we've been, sorry, that's my hands. I've been drinking. Condensation. Y'all know we've been rocking with Nadula Hair for a while now, and that's how we do human hair. We'll try them out 2 or 3 times. If we like them, add them to the rotation. If they trash, I tell you they trash. We never hear from them again. Nadula Hair has really just lived up to everything that I've always wanted them to be. We got a huge success rate with them, so I'm hoping that we like what's ever in this box. I'm just reading directly out here, but if you look in the description box, you see everything you want to know about this wig. So it's a 13x4 kinky curly 24-inch wig in the color TL412. This color is so pretty. It's such a breath of fresh air because I've filmed so much kinky curly hair today, but this is my first time filming this color, y'all. I don't know if I've ever done any other hair pattern in this color. This is pretty. Y'all look. Oh, okay. Tito, this is not a toy. Y'all look how pretty that color is. All right, cap construction. You get a comb in the back and those adjustable straps, and then you get this 13x4 up there at the top. Of course, comes to the right, comes to the left. I'm sorry, Tito is down here messing with my feet. That's why I seem a little off. Okay, and you get this adjustable band that's already sewn to the wig that's gonna make it lay so flush to your head. Like I said, you're gonna see this shirt a lot because I filmed a lot today, but this is the first time I've ever done a kinky curly in this beautiful blonde color. Okay, so before I cut off, we ain't gonna do all that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off this lace and I'm gonna fast forward through all that part, play around with it, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts because I'm already 3 minutes in. Okay, so be right back. Oh shoot. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make me clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away, on trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is send images on replay. Right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were. Don't really want to, I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you All right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts. Y'all, this is very big hair, don't care. I'm trying to get my Beyonce on type of hair. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this honey blonde color, and y'all know that I'm usually more of a ash blonde fan, but this color on this hair is so freaking gorgeous. I thought that the length was gonna be too much for me because y'all know I'm normally comfortable by like an 18-inch in real life, but this length on this curl pattern again makes it very, very pretty. You saw when it was dry, I mean, it was a look, but it just wasn't a look for me. So I sprayed a little bit of water on it, and this is what we got. It's already starting to dry, and you can see it dries to a very, very beautiful curl pattern. Y'all, this one is absolutely absolutely beautiful, but I think it's the color that's doing it for me. It was super easy too as well. Y'all know I am a beginner. I cannot comb hair, so I swooped a few of those baby hairs, and like I keep saying, I hope we cancel them baby hairs in 2023 because I hate them. Maybe because I can't do them, but swooped a few of those baby hairs, put a little bit of powder in there, and this is what we got. Y'all, I definitely recommend this. It is so pretty, like the chocolate, and then you got these honey blondes. Now I'm hungry. Yeah. So this one is a definite must. If you look down in the description box, you'll see all the details on this wig, as well as a direct link to where you can go and purchase this from Nadula Hair. But if this isn't your style, just know that Nadula Hair has just about anything that you can think of, from a full cap pixie to a hot pink bob to this big old Beyonce wig. Whatever you can think of, Nadula Hair is going to carry it. So I definitely recommend. Like I would say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it is your cousin Beyonce. Okay, maybe it's your cousin Sean, whichever one, send them my way. And me and Nadula get them right, y'all. This is beautiful. Until next time, which will be very, very soon.